Hey guys, this is Sajil with Ivy Admissions, and this is the first video and first tip in our SAT tips and tricks video series. So a lot of students have trouble with word problems, and honestly they become really tedious and confusing over time. So one thing that we often suggest is to write out or draw the crucial given information in a format that you can understand. And this is especially important for word problems in which the SAT loves to give you bulky passages with only about 3 to 4 important facts. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this quote-unquote difficult problem on the SAT and really dig out the facts and draw it in a way that makes sense to us. And honestly, after that, the question becomes pretty easy. So here we have the mesosphere is the layer of Earth's atmosphere between 50 km and 85 km above Earth's surface. At a distance of 50 km from the Earth's surface, the temperature in the mesosphere is -5 degrees Celsius. And at a distance of 80 km from Earth's surface, the temperature in the mesosphere is -80 degrees Celsius. For every additional 10 km from Earth's surface, the temperature in the mesosphere decreases by k degrees Celsius, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? So already we know that the question is looking for the value of k, which is a constant temperature decrease that is experienced every time you move 10 kilometers further away from Earth. So to really demonstrate this, we're going to try to visualize it. And we're going to go down here for a second. We know the Earth is a spheroid shape. Some people might be in contention with that fact, but we're not going to deal with those guys right now. And the first piece of crucial information that we're going to take from the text is this 50 kilometers, -5 degrees Celsius. So here at 50 km from the Earth's surface, we know that the temperature is -5 degrees Celsius. And the second piece of information that we're given is that at this further distance of 80 kilometers, the temperature has decreased even further to now -80 degrees Celsius. And now the third part of the question is what we just evaluated earlier, which was we need to find the value of k, which means that every additional 10 kilometers from the Earth's surface, the temperature decreases by this constant value. So what we have so far is we have these two distances, 50 kilometers and 80 kilometers, and we know that the difference between these two distances, as we can see here, is 30 kilometers. And we know that the change that is experienced from the temperature as we go further away from the Earth, in this case, is a change of 75 degrees Celsius, because the temperature originally is -5 degrees Celsius, then it drops to -80 degrees Celsius. So what can we do here? What is the relationship between this 30 kilometer difference and this 10 kilometer rate that we are looking for? So we know that this 30 kilometers is basically 3 times this change of 10 kilometers. And we know that across these 30 kilometers, the change that is experienced by the temperature is a change of 75 degrees Celsius. So to find the change of temperature for 10 kilometers, we divide the 75 degrees Celsius by 3, and we end up getting 25 degrees Celsius as the constant value k that we were looking for. For every 10 kilometers we get further away from the Earth, the temperature reduces by 25 degrees Celsius each time.